YouTube? Chris back at it again with another big boy job. This is going to be for one of the toilets. Up here above, you're going to go ahead and see that we do have some secondary connections, so we're going to reconfigure those, reconnect to them. And then up at the top, all the way at the corner, we're going to see that that's going to be where the toilet flange is going to be at. So once we're all done with this, you'll be seeing all brand new connections, everything all nice and sweeped in. Right here, we're at the downstairs unit, pretty much all ready to get taken out. So we picked the right side because breaking through this stuff, it's not easy. Right here is where the ventilation pipe once was. As you can see, it's cut above, cut below. There is some pretty thick wood beams that the bells are going to be embedded in. We can see that we have the flange, so that's what we're going to be replacing. Really recessed in from where it's at if I were just to leave it, so we got to get it to where it can sit nice and flush and be able to still support everything down below. So some concrete mix, it cures in about 20 minutes. What happens is it solidifies everything, that way it doesn't move or jiggle up and down once we're done. That there's a 2-inch ventilation pipe that was running right next to our 3-inch line. We're cutting down below all the vibration. You see right there, it pretty much sliced off the whole entire bottom of the bell. Yeah, as you can tell, it cracked right there. So that could just release some sewer gases. I'll try to give them a nice charge. It's on the house, you know, so we'll take care of it for them. The top right here is going to be this right here, ventilation. At this bell, we're trying to break it, but there's water lines on bottom. Not going to be easy, at least for Jacob it's not. Alright you guys, we got everything put in. We put the new vertical pipe, 3-inch going up to the top. New flange, as you saw earlier in the video, that the pipe had a big separation, so we went in and filled that in with concrete. Everything's nice and cleaned up, strapped in, torqued down, everything's ready. We're not going to be doing the drywall putback, that's why we can't make it look all pretty, but we have the toilet in and everything cleaned up in here. So we're out of here, we're not coming back. This will be it for today. Y'all know I didn't have my truck yesterday. That was a nightmare. We got it back. Everything's all fixed. Yeah, so what we're gonna go and do is we're gonna shoot a 22-foot perm liner out to the street. We mix it with a hot and cold epoxy resin. We shoot the sleeve into the inner diameter of the pipe out to the city connection. With that, it's gonna seal off all the cracks, all the breaks, and leave everything looking perfect. You'll probably see it right here. Show the process, everything from beginning to end. It takes about an hour and a half to cure. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is we're working with sands. It's easy to dig, but hard to keep grade. We're gonna trench underneath it, compact really hard, and then we're gonna use these bricks as support. So with these bricks, it's gonna be really hard for that brick to sink, especially if we put it every 3 to 4 feet. That way we have proper support. We don't have to worry about any recalls for any back grading pipes. Alright boys, we did the lines, ABS all the way up to this point. Right here what we have is a 4x4 ARC band. These things, they're a pain in the ass to put on, but trust me, they ain't coming off. Alright, so right here what we see is the upstairs toilet coming down. This is gonna go down, drop into the main line. Everything's all glued in pretty, nice and level. So, of course, put the grade to it. This one we actually put a little bit more level than we wanted. Right here we have a new two-way cleanout. Two-way cleanout's gonna give you access upstream and downstream the main sewer line. That way if you ever need to maintenance the line, there it is. This comes in at a 90, sweeps underneath the foundation. Everything nice and pretty, graded, and as you saw we put bricks underneath. That way nothing's gonna backflow, nothing's gonna sag, and we ain't gonna get caught back first. Ladies and gents, we knew it was going to be a hard one, but like we said before, it ain't nothing we ain't used to. What we did these past couple of days, we went ahead and put new toilet flanges in, we put the new verticals in for the main as well, put all the brand new sweeping connections in, all the way down to the horizontals underneath. Underneath, you're going to see that we went ahead and put the new main line all the way throughout. We just reconnected to the secondary branch lines, got everything torqued down, perfect. We shot the new pipe all the way through the foundation, 90'd it out, all the way out to the end like you saw in the trench. With that being said, from the end point where we reached the clay, we got that thing sleeved 22 feet all the way out to the city saddle connection. Everything perfect. Every single joint sealed, everything torqued, everything graded, and everything supported as well. I don't think we'll be seeing this house in a very long time unless the customer decides to want to replace something else. We're happy, our customer's happy, and at the end of the day, just another job in the books. See you next time.